There are many Jigsaw products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Jigsaws from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. DeWalt 20V Max XR Jigsaw. Rating 4.8. All metal, lever action, keyless blade change. Allows for quick and easy blade changes. All metal, keyless shoe bevel with detents at 0 degree, 15 degree, 30 degree, and 45 degree. Provides versatility for easy bevel cutting. 4-position orbital action provides control of cut quality and speed. For the Jigsaw tool, adjustable dust blower keeps line of cut clear of chips. Accepts T-shank Jigsaw blades for optimal holding power and professional results. Number 4. Milwaukee M18 Fuel. Rating 4.8. Brand new in box. The product ships with all relevant accessories. Power State Brushless Motor. The Power State Brushless Motor helps increase SPM and the power to cut hard materials, including hardwoods and metals. With lithium battery technology. Superior pack construction, electronics and performance. Deliver more work per charge and more work over pack life than any battery on the market. RedLink Plus Intelligence. The most advanced system of cordless power tool electronics, provides optimized performance and overload protection, using total system communication between tool, battery and charger. Number 3. Makita XVJ03Z. Rating 4.8. Makita built variable speed motor delivers 0 to 2,600 strokes per minute for faster and more efficient cutting. 3 orbital settings plus straight cutting for use in a wide range of materials. Tool-less blade change lever allows for faster blade installation and removal for increased productivity. Large 2-finger variable speed trigger for added convenience. Heavy gauge precision machine base for smooth cutting and added durability. Number 2. Craftsman Jigsaw. Rating 4.8. Accurate cuts. Variable speed trigger ranging from 0 to 3000 SPM. Provides control for clean and accurate cuts. Cut aggressiveness. 4 orbital settings to adjust cut aggressiveness for various materials and applications. Versatility. Accepts both T and U blades for versatility and availability. Added comfort. Contoured over molded handle for added comfort during use. Number 1. Craftsman V20. Rating 4.9. Change blades quickly. Tool-free blade release allows for easy blade changes. Full control for clean, accurate cuts with variable speed trigger that adjusts cut speeds up to 3,200 no-load SPM. Cut a range of materials with 3 orbital settings. Long run time. Brushless motor delivers consistent high performance. Bright and dark workspaces using onboard LED. High versatility. Jigsaw tool accepts both T and U shank blades. Maintains cut line visibility with dust blower. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.